Trading cryptocurrencies for quick Bitcoin profits is what the Crypto One method is all about. Now, this here on CoinMarketCap shows a good breakdown of what's going on in the markets. And the markets are going 24 hours a day. It's 365 days a year. They just do not stop. And the fluctuations are absolutely huge. And now with the volume coming back, with the whole market having a huge downturn from around Christmas kind of 2017, we saw huge peaks in Bitcoin, and all of the altcoins saw absolutely massive growth. And now, as shown here, and then we had a huge bear market lasting kind of almost kind of a year and a half, until it started to come back. Now we've had some nice gains recently, but the good thing is the volume around now is surpassing what it was around here, which just shows once this baby gets going, the volume is only going to increase more. Now we've got a method where you can take a Bitcoin or a percentage of a Bitcoin and quickly make 1% trades, 1% profits in and out very quickly. So if you can, a Bitcoin now is about $10,000, 1% of that's $100. 1%, $100 a day, you can make $3,000 a month just by doing one trade. And these trades only take a very quick amount of time. And the great thing is, if you're using a full Bitcoin, you keep that Bitcoin as is. You're only using it to come in and out of alts and make a little tiny fraction of a Bitcoin profit. So you'll still keep that Bitcoin profit long term for when it goes, because next time it goes, it's probably going to be going to $150,000. So you'll still have that Bitcoin making profit, but in the meantime, you're also making profit. So it's a double win. If I can show you here, the Crypto One method has a spreadsheet with all of the facts and figures done for you. The method teaches you exactly how to go in, and we are looking at about a 90% success rate. There's 21 trades here. The red ones are ones that didn't come in. So here you can see 1%, 1%. These are all around 1%. This was a minus 1.53 and 1.73. So we made $288 in about 4 days. Not really trying too hard on this. This was just to get some data on some lower trades. I normally trade with higher amounts of money. Some of these were higher. But you can see the spreadsheet brings it in all for you. If I were using 100% of one Bitcoin at the current price, I'd be looking at about $105. Now the reason this method works, and it's been in the works for a year and a half now, and when it first began, the idea was trying to make 2% quickly. And that was only because of the fees on all of the exchanges. This was on Poloniex and Bittrex at the time, and the fees were there were 1/4% when you purchased and 1/4% when you sold. So that was of the whole amount. So to make 1%, it was quite a large amount of fees. Now with Binance, you can trade with a lot less fees. It's actually 0.75%, which is 0.0075%, which is 3.33 times less than Bittrex and Poloniex when they're charging 1/4%. So this is what makes it really doable. They also have their Binance coin, which if you trade with that, you get a further 25% discount off those fees. So that's why Binance has become one of the most popular and hugely successful trading platforms. It's the best, it's the cheapest, and the volume is humongous. This is a coin called Link, which has been having some crazy volume over the past 2 weeks. Traded this one quite a few times. If you see here, Link, 5-6 times there. So our method shows you how to approach a coin like this, purchase some Link and then sell when it's 1% higher. And normally this will take 5 to 15, 20 minutes. You can see here from my Binance history, this will mirror the spreadsheet. So feel free to pause this, because we've got a free course that you can sign up to below where we're teaching this. And that also leads to a couple of paid products that we offer. And by far, this is the easiest and quickest way I've ever come across to make money. I mean, it takes a long time to perfect, and we've ironed out every little detail for you, from the method to all of the checks to the recording to the spreadsheet, every little thing to make sure you're getting 9 out of 10. So you can see here, effect coin 1150 sold for 1162 a minute later. A couple of minutes there, 27180, 27452, 445, 449. You can see the times here. The times, I mean, that was a matter of seconds. Waves 1567, 1560. Was that the loss? Oh, that was 2 different amounts. So yeah, feel free to have a look through all of these. 500, 505, 1297, 1309. It's some of them aren't right next to each other, because some of them will be instant, but some of them will take a little while. Some of them will also be partial fills. So yeah, here are the link ones. Look, 22554, 22698, 22924, 23108. It's just over and over again profits which are here. So we were only changing small amounts, trading small amounts, $288 profit there. That could easily be $300-400 a day. So if you're interested in holding cryptocurrency, learning more about it and getting into it, go into the links below and get yourself a Binance account, get yourself some Bitcoin, and sign up to our course. And start learning how to trade cryptocurrencies and making money in your own time. You can do this whenever you want. You've got a job, you want to earn more money for a business, you want to earn more money for your family. This is a perfect way to do it. So happy trading, and links below.